Keyless access systems offer great convenience, but when they malfunction, understanding the warning messages is crucial for quick resolution. Let's examine the most common warning messages you'll encounter. Key not detected means the system cannot communicate with your key fob, usually due to distance or battery issues. Keyless system malfunction indicates a hardware or software issue within the vehicle's electronic systems that requires professional diagnosis. Key battery low is a straightforward warning that your key fob battery needs replacement. Authentication failed means the security protocol was rejected, while system temporarily disabled is a safety lockout after multiple failed attempts. Understanding the root causes helps with diagnosis. Battery-related issues account for 60% of all keyless system failures, making them the most common problem. Signal interference from electronic devices or physical obstructions causes 25% of issues, while hardware malfunctions account for 10%. Software and programming errors make up the remaining 5% of failures. These statistics help prioritize troubleshooting steps. Modern vehicles now feature advanced diagnostic capabilities. Smart diagnostics provides specific error codes, over-the-air updates fix software bugs remotely, and mobile app integration offers diagnostic tools and temporary access solutions. When your keyless system fails, start with immediate solutions. The most common fix is replacing the key fob battery, which causes 60% of keyless system issues. Most key fobs use a CR2032 battery that lasts 2 to 3 years. When the battery weakens, the signal range decreases before complete failure occurs. If battery replacement doesn't work, try a basic reset procedure. Remove the key fob battery for 30 seconds, then reinstall it. This clears temporary glitches in the fob's memory. For persistent issues, try advanced reset methods. Disconnect your vehicle's battery for 15 minutes to reset all electronic systems. This forces the body control module to reinitialize. The system relearn process requires driving the vehicle for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the body control module to recalibrate and recognize the key fob signals properly. When basic resets fail, professional diagnostics are needed. Technicians use specialized tools to test signal strength, check antenna continuity, and scan for error codes. Prevention is key to avoiding keyless system failures. Keep spare batteries available, protect key fobs from extreme temperatures, and store your backup fob in a secure, separate location. Regular testing of all keyless functions helps identify issues early. Replace batteries every 2 to 3 years, even if the system still works, to prevent unexpected failures.